and welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you about reader view in Safari MacBook. This feature is very helpful if you are reading online. Nowadays a lot of advertisement going around on our web pages, so it's hard to focus on a single content. If you are a reader, it will be hard for you to concentrate due to these kind of advertisement. You can see on this page, this is a blog and this is an article which I wanted to read, but a lot of distraction on right hand side, left hand side, up and down, a lot of distraction and advertisement on this page, so which is quite difficult to concentrate. You get distracted easily. This is one of best feature from Apple. So from Safari preferences you can go to the reader view, and you need to click on website, and here we go. Now you have a reader view on right hand side. You can turn on from here. If you turn on from the settings, the website by default open in reader view, as you can see at the background. So I'm just applying this setting, so you can change setting as per your need. So as you can see this article with a lot of advertisement in it, so I'm going to enable the reader view now. So from Safari browser you can just enable the reader view, and now I am in a reader view. So same page in a reader view, so it required only one click. If you click on readers view, you will see this page, no advertisement, nothing, only focused article will be displayed there. So no advertisement, nothing, only article which you want to read will be displayed here. So this is the original web page. If you turn off the reader view, you can see the website with a lot of distraction, a lot of advertisement, and a lot of content, I would say. So if you want to read some article, just click on that article. It will open up in a new page, and from there you can just activate readers view only option from Safari browser. So this is really good feature from Safari, and if you turn on this feature, you can see that no advertisement, nothing will be displayed on that page, only text which you can easily read and with the focus. So enjoy reading. I hope you like this feature. For more tips and tricks, do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.